Today we have a laser engraver in our hands, the latest LT 24-watt laser engraver from ATEZR. It's a prominent brand that brings innovative engraving solutions for both commercial users and hobbyists. Since we received this laser engraver from ATEZR a few weeks ago and have been using it for some days, now we'll share all the important details about the machine, how it differs from other options, any potential drawbacks, and whether it truly justifies the price tag. So let's dive in and discuss our experience with the ATEZR L2. Now let's open the box and see what we've got. As you can see, all the parts are protected with these slim foam paddings. Here's the user manual, we'll come back to it later, and these are all we have. These are the 5 different parts of the machine. Together with the machine, you're also supplied with some other necessary items. This is the power supply that ends up directly next to the laser board, and then a cable leaves from there to go and feed our ATEZR Assist. To assemble the machine, we had to take some easy steps, just tighten some bolts and plug in some cables. We must say the assembly of the structure was quite easy. Just open the mobile trolley to complete the assembly, but in the end, the wiring is practically hidden. ATEZR did a really great job here. To talk about its array of upgraded features, the first thing we should mention that this engraver has brought a significant improvement in its speed. According to ATEZR, this machine allows you to complete engraving tasks 3 to 4 times faster than the previous generation, and the speed of 54,000 millimeters per minute reduces total working time. However, we did not measure the mathematical term, but the engraving speed was impressive. Oh, we've also got a 3-speed switching mode that helped us to choose the perfect setting for our specific project needs. When assembling, we have thought about the machine's stability, but the inclusion of an upgraded optical axis and industrial rails gave us peace of mind. ATEZR says that these enhancements will extend the machine's lifespan, supporting up to 180,000 sliding cycles. We appreciated the enclosed timing belts as they provided us with easy adjustment and minimized slippage. We found the machine to be absolutely stable, especially during our high-speed engraving tasks. And the intelligent air assist system was a standout feature for us. It featured an adjustable air output through light burn, allowing us to fine-tune the air settings according to our specific needs. Although we did not use laser engravers extensively, we found the positioning of the laser to be hassle-free. You'll get the cross-positioning autofocus feature, which will help you to get a more accurate and intuitive position. Even while completing some intricate designs for our personal gifts, this feature helped us to get rid of the time-consuming manual focusing process. We loved the accuracy and efficiency of the engraving process. During our usage, we were thoroughly impressed by the cutting capabilities of this 24-watt laser engraver. It boasts advanced spot compression technology, which will give you precise cutting results every time. The manufacturer claims that this machine can effortlessly penetrate over 100 different materials with its 4-6-watt laser diodes. We chose 2 different materials to test out its limit, and to be honest, this machine did not let us down. We picked around 20mm wood and 12mm acrylic. This engraver has easily cut through them in just one pass. It'll be a time-saving solution for both beginner, hobbyists, and pros. Okay, so we've got our LED laser energy output display right here. It provided us with a precise measurement of laser energy output, allowing us to make quick adjustments for different materials and achieve optimal engraving results. It ensured consistent and high-quality engravings, and we especially appreciated its additional function as a warning system, promptly alerting us if the energy output fell below the desired power level. This versatile 4.3-inch display took our engraving experience to new heights of convenience. The touchscreen design simplified our workflow, managed to help us to control essential tasks directly from the screen effortlessly. Operating the engraver was so intuitive and seamless. The enhanced display made it easier than ever to navigate through settings and functions, making the engraving process feel effortless. We highly appreciate the combination of its impactful LED laser energy output display and a user-friendly touchscreen. Another notable feature of this engraver is its advanced Z-axis with automatic syncing during cutting. ATEZR says that this feature will enhance the cutting depth by 25%, which will take it to lead in its class. And when we tried it out, the outcomes were enough to impress. They also claim the syncing depth of this machine is 30 more than other brands, which will help you with exceptional flexibility in all the cutting applications. When it came to engraving, the L2 24-watt engraver showcased remarkable precision with its 0.01mm engraving accuracy. We were able to achieve intricate and detailed engravings on our every project. One of the most interesting things is the resume engraving feature of this machine, as it detected power loss and seamlessly resumed engraving exactly where it left off. It'll help you to minimize material waste and maintain consistency in every application. Our experience with the ATEZR L2 became more positive when we found the physical switch that added an extra level of security to engraving. So you'll get peace of mind knowing that your family and loved ones won't get any harm from this laser engraver. One particular feature that stood out to us was the flame detector. This innovative addition played a vital role in enhancing the clarity and safety of our carving results. It continuously monitored the entire working area in real time, leaving us with needed confidence for every project, even ensuring a safer working environment. So that was everything from our end. To put it simply, the ATEZR L2 24-watt laser engraving machine is a notable upgrade from its predecessor. With its sleek look and design, enhanced speed, and precise positioning capabilities, it'll help you to complete engraving tasks in a more convenient manner. However, the decision rests in your hands. The choice is entirely up to you if you want to explore more options and make a decision later.